Hello my dear students, this is your accounts class. On Monday we have started the chapter Goods and Service Tax. So today we will continue this chapter GST. I hope you have done the questions of related to CGST and SGST, that is intra-state transaction. So today we will do interstate transaction when IGST tax will be applied, integrated goods and service tax. Okay, so let's start. Interstate transaction. I have told you in first lecture also about the interstate transaction. When there is transaction between two states, one state had purchased any goods from another state, okay, then what will be entry for purchase? We will pass purchases account debit to bank with amount of purchase. In a purchases account we will debit the cost of goods and we are paying IGST. Then there is transaction between two states, then we'll pay only IGST, not CGST and SGST. That paid GST is known as input GST. So input IGST will be debit with the purchase account when there is interstate transaction. Like we are paying expense, if any expense will pay, then expense account debit, input IGST account debit to bank account. And in the entry of sale, which entry we will pass? If it's maybe it is credit sale. If it is credit sale, then name of customer that is given to you in the entry, customer account debit to sales account, and that we will receive the GST. Received GST, collected GST is known as output IGST account. If our customer is also from another state, then we will collect from customer IGST. If customer is from our state, in which state business is there, then from customer we can collect CGST and SGST. So keep in mind that transaction is interstate or intrastate. Intrastate matlab same state, that businessman and customer are of same state, seller and purchaser both are from same state, then intrastate transaction is called. Then in that entry we will put the account CGST and SGST, purchase also and in sale also. And when there is an interstate transaction, then only one GST, IGST, integrated goods and service tax will be paid and collected as well as. Okay? And if we are purchasing any assets from, in the case of export import also, अगर हम बाहर से भी assets के दूसरे country से, then also IGST will be applied. Assets account debit, paid GST is known as input, input IGST account debit to bank. Fine. And after the in the end of question, last entry, output GST is the liability of business that business will pay to the government, not full output IGST. After adjusting the input IGST, then which entry will be passed for adjusting the output GST from input GST? If we will pay output GST to government, then which entry will be passed? Output IGST account debit to bank. of all, we will deduct this output IGST from input IGST. For example, total of output IGST is after the all entry, output IGST is rupees 70,000 total in all entries, and total input IGST is rupees 40,000. Then difference is 30,000. So first of all, we will adjust output IGST to input IGST. How much we can adjust? 40,000. 30,000 output IGST is still the liability of the business that business has to pay to the government. It can be divided in the central and state government. But now from 1st Feb 2019, the rule has changed that if output IGST, unadjusted output IGST, this is unadjusted, 40,000 adjust हो चुका है, the 30,000 is unadjusted output IGST. We will not pay this IGST. If firm has having extra input CGST and SGST, then firm will adjust this output IGST from that extra input CGST and SGST. See how? Output, if firm has total output CGST is rupees 30,000 and total input CGST is rupees 40,000. Then SCST same, दोनों की अमाउंट सेम होती है. आउटपुट SGST also 30,000 and total input SGST also rupees 40,000. These amount we are having. Now first of all, we will adjust the output CGST from input CGST and output SGST from input SGST. First of all, we will adjust CGST. What entry will be passed for the adjustment? Same entry, output CGST account debit. So this is the adjustment entry of output CGST, that output CGST account debit to input CGST. Same output IGST account debit to input IGST. This is the entry to adjust the output GST from input GST. We will adjust all the GST, CGST, SGST and IGST from the input. Output CGST account debit to input CGST. How much output CGST is? 30,000. Then we will adjust 30,000. हमने गवर्नमेंट को पे कितना करना है? 30,000. But we have already paid 40,000 to our supplier. Input GST is a paid GST, na? So we will adjust all the output GST from input CGST. Nothing we will pay to the government out of CGST. Now we are having 10,000 input CGST. वो हमारे पास बच गया. Now we will adjust the SGST. Output SGST account debit to input SGST. Same 30,000. अब ये भी हमारे पास 10,000 बच गया. Now we are having 10,000 input CGST and 10,000 input SGST. These are balance remaining to us. So we are having unadjusted output IGST जो हमारा adjust नहीं हुआ. This 30,000 we will adjust from CGST and SGST. So which entry will be passed for this? Output, इसको adjust करना है ना, तो output IGST account debit 30,000. कहाँ से adjust करना है? Input CGST कितना पड़ा है? 10,000 to input SGST. How much is remaining? 10,000. Now we are having no balance of input. IGST भी नहीं है, input CGST भी नहीं है, input SGST भी नहीं है. So we have to pay the remaining unadjusted output IGST. That how much is remaining? 30,000. We have adjusted 20,000. Now 10,000 we will pay to the government, that is unadjusted output IGST. So this is the entry, last entry after all the transaction we will pass to adjust the GST. If there are 3 GST is there, IGST also there, CGST also there and SCST also there, then first of all we will adjust the output GST from input IGST. After that, if any remaining unadjusted output IGST will be there, then first of all we will adjust the CGST from their input CGST and SCST from their input. If we are having balance, हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता, but if we are having balance of input CGST and input SCST, then we can adjust this 30,000, this unadjusted output IGST from input CGST and input SCST. If we are not having balance this, then we have to pay all the 30,000 to the government. Okay, so which entry will be passed for this? Output GST always debit at the time of payment. अगर payment करना पड़े then also, अगर payment ना करना पड़े, if we can adjust then also it will be debit. So output GST account debit किससे adjust करना है? Input से, then input CGST, input SCST, that 10,000 we are having balance, then remaining 10,000 we will pay to the government. Okay. So yes students, in first case, that was in second case in your book, if output IGST is more than input IGST. Now I am reversing this. अगर ये input IGST हो जाए and this is output IGST, then adjust तो हमें output IGST को ही करना है ना. Input IGST that already we have paid, output IGST that we have collected from our customer, this we have to pay to the government, but not all, after deducting the input IGST, paid IGST. Then which entry will be passed? This is known as adjustment entry, that output IGST account debit 40,000 to input IGST. We are having input IGST 70,000, so we can adjust all amount of output IGST from input. So now nothing we will pay to the government from IGST. But what will we do about that we are having 30,000 balance of input IGST. Now we are having balance in input IGST after adjusting the output IGST rupees 30,000. So what we'll do from this input IGST balance? So we will adjust from this input IGST our output CGST and output SGST. First of all, CGST we will adjust. Okay, if we are having output CGST, total 50,000 we are having output CGST. That we will adjust from input IGST. How much we are having balance input IGST? That remaining 20,000 we will adjust from input CGST. वैसे तो हम CGST को CGST से ही एडजस्ट करते हैं, but now rule has changed from 1st Feb 2019. If we are having balance in input IGST, then first of all we will adjust the output CGST from input IGST. हमें input IGST का कोई बैलेंस नहीं रखना है, हमें इसको खत्म करना है. CGST balance we can keep for the next year. If we are having input CGST, मान लो input CGST we will adjust 20,000. If we are having input CGST also 30,000, then 10,000 input CGST we can keep for the adjustment in next year. Okay, if our output CGST is less than this, अगर हमारा यहाँ पे output CGST 20,000 होता, then we will adjust 20,000. After adjusting this 20,000, now 10,000 still remaining in input IGST. So from this 10,000 we will adjust the output SGST. SGST भी 20,000 होगा because CGST and SGST always same amount. From input IGST, how much we are having? 10,000. 30,000 था, 20,000 हमने CGST adjust कर दिया. Now we are having 10,000. Then we can use the input IGST 10,000 to adjust the output SGST. Remaining 10,000 we will adjust from input SGST. Fine. Okay. After that, if balance will be keep of the CGST and SGST input, that we will use in the next year to adjust the CGST and SGST of next year. Output CGST we can adjust from previous year input CGST, SGST also. Okay, but keep in mind that we have to remove, adjust, we have to use all the input IGST in the same year. Okay, fine. So now today we have learned about the adjustment of CGST, SGST and IGST. If input IGST is more than output IGST, this case also, and if output IGST is more than input IGST. Okay, so now this chapter has completed. So today your homework is only 1 to 9 example. Solve all the 1 to 9 example in your fair notebook. Okay, then tomorrow we will do some practical questions. Okay, I will tell you. Fine. Thank you. Have a nice day.